The law of attraction. This is one of the 12 universal laws, powerful principles that shape your reality every day, whether you realize it or not. I'm creating a full series where I break down each law in a simple, practical way, so you'll understand what it really means, how it shows up in your life, and how to use it to create real change. Check the playlist for the laws that are already live and subscribe so you don't miss the rest. So let's explore what today's law is really about and how you can start recognizing it in your own life. You've probably heard this one before, like attracts like. It's the law of attraction, one of the most talked about universal laws. But here's the thing, most people misunderstand it. Some think it's about wishing really hard and waiting for the universe to deliver. But the truth is, it's not about luck or magic, it's about alignment. Whatever energy you put out into the world, you get back. If you constantly focus on success, positivity, and opportunities, you'll naturally attract more of them. But if your mind is stuck in worry, fear, or lack, you'll keep experiencing those things too. So, how the law of attraction works. Imagine your mind is like a magnet. If you're always thinking, I never have enough money, you're unknowingly reinforcing that reality. But if you say, money flows to me easily, you shift your energy, and suddenly you start noticing opportunities you never saw before. Ever had one of those days where you wake up in a bad mood and everything seems to go wrong? You spill your coffee, miss your bus, and get stuck in traffic. It feels like the universe is against you, but in reality, it's just mirroring your energy. Now, the good news? You can flip the script. Ever wanted something so badly, maybe a new job, an opportunity, or even a relationship, and then out of nowhere it appeared? That wasn't luck. That was the law of attraction in action. Your belief and focus sent out the right energy, and the universe responded. Think about someone who always seems lucky, the kind of person who lands amazing opportunities, meets the right people, and somehow life just works for them. Chances are they expect good things to happen. They have a mindset that naturally attracts success. How this law affects your life. First, you attract what you focus on. Your brain is wired to notice what you believe. If you keep saying, I'm always struggling, your mind will find proof of that everywhere. But if you start saying, I attract opportunities with ease, your mind will seek out ways to make it happen. Second, your emotions amplify your attraction. The universe doesn't just respond to thoughts, it responds to feelings. Thinking about success isn't enough. You need to feel it. When you feel excited, grateful, or joyful, you radiate a magnetic energy that pulls in more of the same. Third, action is the missing link. You can't just sit on the couch and hope for success. The law of attraction works when you combine belief with action. Want a new job? Send out applications. Want better relationships? Be the kind of person you'd want to attract. Want financial freedom? Learn, grow, and take steps toward it. The universe opens doors, but you still have to walk through them. How to use the law of attraction in your life. First, visualize your dream life. Spend a few minutes daily imagining your goals as if they're already happening. Feel the excitement, success, or love as if it's real right now. Second, use affirmations. Speak words that align with what you want. Oh, I am worthy of success. Oh, I attract love and abundance effortlessly. Good things are always happening for me. Third, take inspired action. When you get an idea, a gut feeling, or an opportunity, act on it. The law of attraction works best when you meet the universe halfway. The law of attraction isn't about wishing, it's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with what you want. It's not about asking, what if things go wrong, but rather, what if everything goes right? So here's a question for you. What's one thing you can start attracting today?